Okay, hey guys, today we're going from Miami Opa Locka to Tampa Executive. We're gonna go visit the Sun and Fun Airshow, and we're gonna bring all that to you right here today. Ready to go?
Absolutely. It's a very beautiful sunny day. It will be lots of sun and lots of fun and lots of play. We'll tell you all about it.
I'm so happy, I can't lie, mesmerized by you. I'm so happy, I can't lie, mesmerized by you. I'm so happy.
Yeah, totally. Look at that. It's speaking truth. It wants to come out, doesn't it? Exciting day. Exciting everything. Look at all these things. We're ready to go flying, and a lot of them will be today with us at the Sun and Fun Airshow. A gorgeous day today, and Joy is continuing the airplane checkup, a regular inspection, making sure everything is good. Here we are, ready to go, loading in the plane, and see you there.
I'm so happy, I can't lie, mesmerized by you. I'm so happy, I can't lie, mesmerized by you. I'm so happy, I can't lie, mesmerized by you. I'm so happy, I can't lie, mesmerized by you. I'm so happy, I can't lie,
Hey guys, okay, we just arrived at Sun and Fun in the lovely Lakeland area. Our flight this morning out of Opa Locka to Tampa Executive was amazing, and we're just about to start our day of adventure at the show.
I'm so
Get out now. All the way down. You gotta sit back. Gotta sit back. Gotta sit back. There you go. Now you can put it all the way down. Put it down so you get a picture.
Put it down all the way.
Put it down so you get a picture. It's gonna get hot in there, boy. Yeah, it's gonna get hot. Hurry up.
I'm so happy, I can't lie, mesmerized by you. I'm so happy, I can't lie, mesmerized by you. I'm so happy, I can't lie, mesmerized by you. I'm so happy.
It's gonna be good. We got Tatiana flying the simulator today. Let's see how she can tell. So don't pull back too much. Don't pull back too much. No. Forward a little bit. Not too much. Here's the food so far, T.
I think lots of options with meat, dirty food.
Is it dirty?
Just the way you like it.
Gotcha.
And some stuff like interesting, like something.
Let's check out the dirt. Today's flight takes us from Tampa Executive to Miami Opa Locka. Let's get this thing going.
If you like this video, like us and subscribe. Your support encourages us to produce more of this content.